Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to pay with cash on Uber Eats in 2025. With digital payments on the rise, it's great that Uber Eats still offers cash options for those who prefer it or don't have a card handy. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of the Uber Eats app. Open it up on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're in, search for your favorite restaurant or browse nearby options. Add the items you want to your cart. Don't forget to check for deals or customizations. Now, when you're ready to check out, hit the View Cart button. You'll see a screen for delivery details and payment methods. Scroll down to the payment section and look for the Cash option. In 2025, Uber Eats has made this super straightforward. Just select Pay with Cash and confirm your order. Remember, this feature might vary by location, so if it's not available, you could need to enable it in your app settings or check if your area supports it. After placing your order, the driver will arrive with your food. When they get there, hand over the exact amount or any tip in cash. Uber Eats will handle the rest, updating your account once the delivery is complete. Pro tip: always have the correct change ready to avoid any awkward moments. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your meal without touching your digital wallet. If you run into any issues, double-check the app's help section or contact Uber support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.